Hello, today we're going to learn how to set up theme in Elementor. To set up theme, we'll first need to set these global settings as per our website's branding. To set global styling in Elementor, you can click on Elementor icon at the top and click on Site Settings option. Here we can set global colors, fonts or typography, button styling, site layout including container width, and screen breakpoints for responsive designing. Let's start with global colors. As you can see, we have 4 main colors: primary, secondary, text, and accent. You can click on color icon and choose the color you want for the theme. It might be a color from the logo we have or similar. Primary color is used for button or heading elements. We'll set secondary color, which can be used for on hover of button. Text color is used for body or full site content, usually paragraphs. Accent color is for links throughout the site and menu items. You can also add extra colors that you wish to use in site. You can click on Add Color and rename it as you would prefer to use in site or places, and you can delete that also via trash icon. It is important to save your changes each time we move to next tabs. Next is global fonts. Same as colors, you can set default font families for various sections such as headings, paragraphs, links. Now we can move to typography. Let's start with body. You can set body content color from our previously saved global text color. You can edit body fonts in typography by selecting font family from drop-down, which lists Google fonts, set font size and weight, transform preference, style, decorations, line height, and letter spacings. You can also set default margin by paragraph spacing. Now, link. Link color can be set from AC Send. We can keep typography as it is and set hover color to change color on hover of text, such as menu items. Now, let's start with heading elements. You can select default color of all headings from global colors weave and set typography, choose font family. For font size, we can use REM, which helps with responsive devices, set font weight and other properties as per need. We will do the same for H2. Add font size smaller, then H1. Same for H3. Choose color and set font size smaller, then H2. You can click on device icon to set responsive sizing. Here you can further reduce font size. It helps with keeping website content in place and readable in smaller devices. As you can see, we've used H2 fonts for section titles throughout the page. We'll reduce the font size further if the design requires and increase as well. We can do same for H3 for card titles of blogs. Section. After setting all headings, we'll move to desktop and save changes. Next, we'll style buttons. For button, we can set font size, font weight, and same properties. We can also add text shadow to the button text. Now, you can set text color. You can choose background color as gradient color or a solid color from global variables. You can also add box shadow for more depth in your UI. You can set border type from drop down and set border width and border color. We can also set border radius too. For hover effect, we only need to set properties that are changing on hover and leave all the properties as is for consistency. Again, we'll save changes to make sure the edits are saved. Moving forward, we'll set layout settings. Here, you can change container width of the content, which wraps all content inside a fixed width throughout the site for organized view. It is important to keep this size smaller than the general screen size, such as 1440 pixels. You can increase or decrease this size as per your website's requirements. Now, container padding removes extra padding from the container. Gaps are the spacing between columns and rows of sections we create. Now, breakpoints. Here you can add screen breakpoints for responsive design, such as mobile, tablet, laptop. You can also edit the size the screen changes. It's view for various devices. You can select from the drop-down to add further breakpoints. Now we'll move next and keep other settings as is and save changes and click close icon to move back to page editor. Again, this might take a second and then auto switch to last edited page to continue with. Subscribe to us for more Elementor tips.